welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation to align your chakras through visualizations and affirmations. Before we begin, find a comfortable seated position or lie down, whatever feels best to you in this moment. Listen to your body. Make sure you have what you need for your comfort and put away distractions so that you're able to focus on the present moment. The chakras are energy centers in the body that align with the spine. Each one is associated with different aspects of physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. We will travel from the base or the root chakra, Muladhara, all the way up through the crown. Close down your eyes as you're ready. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. Inhale deeply through your nose. Fill your lungs completely and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more relaxed and centered. Visualize a vibrant red light at the base of your spine, your root chakra, Muladhara. This light represents grounding, security, and stability. As you inhale, see this red light growing brighter and more intense. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming more grounded and more secure. Imagine your connection to this earth, your rootedness. Repeat the following affirmations silently or aloud. I am grounded and secure. I am deeply connected to the earth. I am safe and protected. Breathe into the color red at the base of your spine. Expand it. Hold it here. And exhale. Allow that red light to continue to glow. Move up to the lower abdomen, just below your navel, the seat of your sacral chakra, Svadhisthana. Visualize a warm orange light in this area. It represents your creativity, your passion, your pleasure. As you inhale, see this orange light glowing brightly. And with each exhale, feel your creativity and passion awakening. Repeating to yourself or aloud, I am creative and passionate. I embrace joy and pleasure in my life. I am open to new experiences. Feel this warmth. See the color orange in this area. Feel the symbolic sense of what creativity and passion means to you. Notice any blocks here or anything that comes up. This is the seat of our emotions. It can often be a hot spot. So just take note. Take one more breath. Expanding, feeling the warmth, and seeing that color orange. Shift your focus to your upper abdomen, your solar plexus. Visualize a radiant yellow light here. This is the seat of your will, your personal power, your confidence, and your strength. This is Manipura, the solar plexus chakra. As you inhale, see the yellow light shining brighter. And with each exhale, feel your confidence and your personal power growing. Affirm to yourself, I am confident and strong. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am in control of my life. Take a moment here to expand that feeling of confidence, strength, and action. And sitting in that color yellow and noticing anything that comes up here without judgment. Take one more breath and then travel up to the space in the center of your chest, your heart chakra. The color is green. Anahata is the name of this chakra. It's the seat of love, compassion, and healing. And as you inhale, see this green light expanding and growing brighter. With each exhale, feel your heart opening and filling with love. Take a moment to send love directly to yourself, an appreciation for making this time. Repeating to yourself, I am filled with love and compassion. I forgive myself and others. I am open to giving and receiving love and joy. Take a moment to sit in the green radiance of Anahata, and then traveling now to your throat, Vishuddhi chakra. Visualize a bright blue light here, symbolizing communication, truth, and self-expression. Sometimes we become blocked in this chakra when we're having trouble speaking our truth or communicating. Take notice if you're feeling any blocks here. And as you inhale, see this blue light shining brightly, radiating all around the space where your throat lies, the seat of your speech and communication with the world. With each exhale, feel your ability to communicate and express yourself strengthening, affirming, I speak my truth with confidence. I express myself clearly and honestly. I'm open to listening and understanding others. Now shift your attention to the center of your forehead, your third eye chakra. Visualize a deep indigo light in this area, representing intuition, insight, and wisdom. As you inhale, see this indigo light glowing brighter. With each exhale, feel your intuition and inner wisdom awakening. When this area is blocked, we sometimes have a hard time listening to our intuition, or we feel lost from it. This is the seat of Ajna chakra. It's also the seat of our imagination and our inner wisdom. Allow that indigo light to expand and believe that your intuition and your inner wisdom are awakening, and that our pituitary gland is open and functioning beautifully. Repeat to yourself, I trust my intuition. I am open to inner guidance. I am connected to my inner wisdom. Sit here for a moment, focusing in this space between the eyebrows, expanding the indigo light and allowing the feeling and belief that the third eye is opening further and that our wisdom is attuned to that of our inner being and to the source. Finally, bring your focus now to the top of your heads, Sahasrara chakra, the crown. Visualize a brilliant violet or white light here, whichever feels right to you. This symbolizes our spiritual connection, enlightenment, unity, our direct connection to the divine. As you inhale, see this light becoming more intense, brighter, expanding, With each exhale, feel your connection to the universe deepening, affirming to yourself, I'm connected to the divine. I am open to spiritual guidance. I am one with the universe. Take a moment to sit here, expanding that white or violet light and feeling the energy flow from the root through the low belly, the upper belly, the heart, the throat, between the eyebrows and the crown, moving up and down through these channels. Imagine these wheels turning so that that energy can flow beautifully up and down through these inner channels. Allowing you to receive and give the highest vibration of energy freely. Remember, you can return to this visualization at any time, imagining these colors and the movement of energy flowing in your body. You have the power to heal. Sometimes we get caught up in thinking that all of the healing is outside of ourselves, but we truly hold so much power within us, and we are deeply connected to the divine, each one in our own beautiful way. Thank you as always for spending this time, and blessings and love to each one of you. If you found value here, please consider sharing this meditation, liking it, or subscribing for more mindfulness content each Wednesday. Thank you again, and namaste.